In this video, I will guide you through exactly how to set your Android data limit and billing cycle. Open your phone settings. As you see here, open settings on your phone. Tap here. Then you want to go and tap on connections. Tap onto that option there. And then once under connections, you want to scroll all the way to where you see data usage. Tap into data usage. The first thing that we'll do is go ahead and select billing cycle, and data warning. You can tap into that, then select start billing cycle option. So to set the billing cycle, you need to set the current date you are in on that very day. So I will go and double check my current date. I scroll all the way. As you see here, it is a Saturday, January 31st. So my data warning or my billing cycle will be set to 31st. I'll scroll until I set it to 31st here. Just like that. Then set. Then tap on set. Here you can also adjust the data warning. This option right here, right after set data warning. I will tap onto data warning right here. So it is set to currently on 5 GB. So I can set it to 5 or maybe to 6 or maybe to 7, just like that. So I will set it to 7 for more adjustments and then tap on set. That's it. So if you have two SIM cards, this is for your first SIM card. So I will go back. As you can see, it is still on 757. As you can see here, it is on 759 GB of mobile data. So the first option is done. So I'll go back until I see the billing cycle and data warning as the second alternative. The first alternative was this here, that the first has set. So the second option, I'll tap on billing cycle and data warning again. Then set it exactly like I did for the first option. So I'll tap on start billing cycle. Then also set it to the current date I'm in. And today is the 31st, Saturday. And then tap on set. Then also adjust the data warning from 5 to 7 GB. I will erase this. Then I set it to 7. Then tap on set. So if we go back, finally the data usage has dropped to 433 MBs. So guys, that is how you set your data usage. And if you have any questions, drop them in comment section and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Peace.